A sneaky little brute, eh? That's my kitty. There you are. Hi, little kitty. Oh. I don't know where the mother took him out from, but putting it on her out though. Like, do you hear that? That is a weird cat. That's possessed. Wow. That is a weird kitten. That's a cat, people, not a human. Sounds like a little kid, eh? Wow. That is so weird.